Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Ears, eyes, nose and mouth. Ears, eyes, nose and mouth. How are you? Are you okay? I hope you're fine. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Wow. We have talked about the common accidents at home. Who can name for me some of the common accidents we have discussed? Teacher, we have falls. Very good. What else, Janet? Teacher, cuts. Nice. Someone? Oscar? Teacher, we also have electrocution or shocks. Good. What about the one that is caused by hot liquids or hot surfaces? Teacher, we have burns, scalds. Nice. So you remember, what of those people who walk while eating, they get choked? Nice. Then we also have suffocation. Now, our question is, what are some of the things that cause these common accidents at home? Things that we can prevent. What are some of these things? How can you prevent the falls? I am walking on a slippery floor. Then I decided not to clear that water. If someone else comes and steps on that floor, what will happen? This person will flow. So most cause of falls are slippery floors. Slippery floors. And these slippery floors can cause falls at the same time bruises. What if you fall and you fall on a rough wall? You will have bruises. Then we are saying these falls can also be caused by disorganized or disarranged classes or homes. You are cleaning the classroom, you've placed all the lockers on top of the tables, the desks on top of what? Then you come there running. What will happen? You can hit the desk and you fall down. So it's called disarranged classes or homes. When you don't organize your homes after cleaning, you might fall. Then you're talking about untied shoelaces. Untied shoelaces. These untied shoelaces can still cause the falls among pupils, among young children. We are saying when you throw, littering the floor, that is throwing pills. Imagine when you throw a banana or a mango peel on the floor and you come running. You might not like it. Throwing pills on the floor, especially the banana ones. You might learn. Those are some of the things that can cause the falls. Then you have the burns. Burns can be caused by playing with fire or matchbox. Playing with matchbox. Those kids who like playing with matchbox can cause the fire. We are saying this fire can also be caused by dangerous chemicals. Dangerous chemicals like paraffin, kerosene, diesel, petrol. Dangerous chemicals can cause fire. And when we talk about these dangerous chemicals commonly used in our homes are kerosene and paraffin. Then we talk about the electrocution. Electrician is caused by handling electric things with water. Handling electric wires with water, with wet hands. You have been washing utensils and you forget, then what do? You end up touching the electric wires. Then of course we can cause electrocution by putting sharp objects in the sockets. Putting objects in the sockets. You are likely to cause electrocution or shocks. Then we are talking about choking. What causes people to get choked? Not chewing the food properly. When you don't chew the food properly, you're likely to get choked. Not chewing the food properly. We are again saying you might chew the food properly, but now stuffing food in the mouth. You want to stuff food in the mouth until you're not able to talk. Stuffing food in the mouth. This one can cause choking. We are again saying playing while eating. It can really cause choking. Then you're talking about suffocation. What causes suffocation? Living in poor ventilated house. Living in poor or cooking in poor ventilated house. It causes choking. Then we also talk about people can even fall when they walk carelessly. Walking carelessly can still cause accidents. Then we have, I forgot to tell you another type of accident. We have the bites and stings. These are caused by animals, insects. Walking in the dark can make you fall, or being bitten by. Walking in the dark can make you fall or be bitten by some of these dangerous animals like the scorpion, the snakes, and of course walking in the dark and deserted places or bushy places. Walking in the dark and bushy places are the ones that cause bites and stings. When you walk in these places, you should be very careful, because those are the places where snakes, scorpions, spiders, bees stay, and they can easily bite you and cause accident. Then we are also talking about what else can cause these common accidents. We have talked about disposing of broken glasses well. If you throw the broken glasses all over the place, you can get the cuts. Disposing of broken glasses, stroke wire well. Don't just put them all over the place. And we're also saying, if you're very careful, do not play with knives, razor blades. Do not play with knives, razor blades, or nails. Razor blades and nails. They can also cause cuts and pricks. Who can remind me some of the other ways in which accidents are caused at home? We have talked about dangerous chemicals. We have talked about playing with matchbox, walking on slippery floor, throwing the pills on the floor. Which other one? We are saying, don't go to the swimming pool unsupervised. Do not go to the pool unsupervised. This one causes drowning. When you have to go to the pool, make sure you have an elderly person who knows exactly the rules of a pool. Which other accident have we done? Again, poisoning. Not storing. This one is going to the And this one is playing with. This one should be not disposing of. Then this one says, we're talking about which kind of accidents? We're talking about going, not walking, walking with bare feet can also cause accidents. Walking with bare feet. Going to the swimming pool and supervise. Then there is walking with bare feet causes accident. There are so many ways in which we cause accidents at home. So many. Even if we start now, we might not finish today. It might go until next week. But these are some of the ways in which we are supposed to be very, very, very careful, because these are some of the ways that will cause accidents in our home. Anytime you walk on slippery floor, be sure of falling, and especially the tiles one. The tiled floors are no good. Very slippery, and they can easily kill. And remember, we said accidents are unplanned and they cause harm, they cause damage or loss. So, can you write these causes in our books? And you can also add the ones that we have not listed here and you know them. Maybe you have been a victim or a family member has been a victim. And so when we meet tomorrow, we will be discussing some of the ways in which we can prevent these accidents. Any question? Any problem? It was nice having you around, and I hope I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.